If you kill her, you will not have God to blame.
This is Sophia. And this is the youngest baby cockatiel. Sophia is an old lady. And she's the best cat in the world.
Yeah, look. Separate.
Can this get any cuter? Seriously? Sophie's totally asleep with the bird, and the bird is totally asleep with Sophia. Oh, sorry. But didn't I have to get a picture of this? Seriously? Stop it. Mommy and Daddy's over there. Okay, that's it. She's drooling on the. Really? That's weird. You alright, baby? Oh. Okay, we're done.